Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simplify with Reshma. So today we are going to see properties of rational numbers. So there are 6 type of properties. So see here, what are they? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property, inverse property, and at last distributive property. These are based on addition and multiplication. So see here, closure property is A plus B. Okay, what are A plus B? That is addition of two rational numbers. The answer should be in also rational number. That means they are closed under that property. That is closure property of addition is verified. Likewise, in multiplication also, if you multiply two rational number, the answer should be in rational number. Okay, let's see the commutative property. Commutative property is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay, if you add these two and if you add like B plus A, the answer should be same. It should be verified. Likewise, in the multiplication also, A into B is equal to B into A. Okay, see the associative property, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, this is for addition, and for multiplication, A B into C is equal to AB into C. This is for multiplication. You have to verify. Okay, see the identity property of addition is 0. Okay, if you add 0 plus A is equal to or A plus 0, the answer should be A. Okay, for multiplication, how will you get? If you multiply 1, you will get A. Okay, if you multiply 1 into A is equal to A. So for inverse property, what if you add? You will get 0. Okay, that means if you add for A plus of minus A. Okay, for A the inverse property is minus A, so the answer will get 0. For multiplication, how will you get? 1. The inverse property of multiplication 1. So A, if you have A, you have to multiply with the 1 by A to get 1. Okay, this is for inverse property. Last, distributive property. Distributive property of addition is the C, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the last property, distributive property. Okay, this is distributive over addition for the collection of rational numbers. Okay, you have to verify these. Okay, let us see exercise 1.3. Okay, exercise 1.3, see the first sum. Verify the closure property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. So let us do this. Okay, so first sum they have given for minus 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. Okay, so closure property means you have to just see A plus B. Okay, so see, let us take A is equal to minus 5 by 7 and let me take B is equal to 8 by 9. Or you have to check for A plus B. Okay, for closure property of addition. Just put closure property of addition. It's A plus B is equal to minus 5 by 7 plus 8 by 9. Okay. See, the denominators are not same. You have to take LCM. So multiply this by 9 and this by 7. What will you get? Minus 45 plus 56. The whole divided by 63. So what is the answer? Okay, greater sign plus 11 by 63. So this is also a rational number. So the closure property of addition is verified. Okay. Next you see closure property of multiplication. Okay, see what is the closure property of multiplication? A into B. Okay, this means minus 5 by 7 into 8 by 7. If you multiply A into B, minus 5 into 8 is minus 40. Okay, minus 40 divided by 7 nines are 63. Okay, minus 40 by 63. It is also closed under multiplication of rational numbers. So you have to mention that. Closure property of addition and multiplication is verified. Okay, you have to mention this last. Okay, because they have asked in the question verify the closure property, so you have to say the answer that is the closure property of addition and multiplication is verified. Okay, move on to second question. Verify the commutative property of addition and multiplication. So let us do this. So the question is for minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33, commutative property. So see, commutative property means you have to verify that a plus b is equal to b plus a and a into b is equal to b into a. So let us take a is equals to minus 10 by 11 and b is equals to minus 8 by 33. So you have to mention this commutative property of addition. Okay, that is a plus b is equals to b plus a. Okay, let us take this LHS. Okay, LHS means left hand side a plus b. Okay, a plus b is what? Minus 10. Okay, a is minus 10 by 11 plus b is what? Minus 8 by 33. Okay, so see here minus 10 by 11. What happens is plus into minus, minus 8 by 33. Now see this. This is 11 tables. Okay, 3, 33. So you can multiply this with 3 to get 33. Okay, so what happens? Minus 30. Okay, minus 8 the whole divided by 33. So what happens? Minus 38. This you have to add divided by 33. Okay, this is left hand side. Okay, now see right hand side. Right hand side is b plus a. Okay, mention this first. Okay, what is b? B is minus 8 by 33 and a is less of minus a is minus 10 by 11. Okay, here also you see for LCM you have to multiply this with 3. You will get minus 8 minus plus into minus minus 30 by 33. Okay, you have to add and put the sign minus 38 by 33. So see the same answers, no, you got. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, you have verified till here. Now move on to commutative property of multiplication. Okay, multiplication. So what is the commutative property for multiplication? Is a into b is equal to b into a. Okay, take LHS. LHS is a into b. A into b is what? Minus 10 by 11 into minus 8 by 33. Okay, you have to just multiply. If you have to cancel, you can cancel also. So you multiply 10 into minus 8 minus 80. That is plus minus into minus plus. Okay, see, minus into minus plus 10 into 8 80 divided by 11 into 33 is 363. Okay, this is LHS. Now do RHS. RHS is equals to b into a. What is b? B is minus 8 by 33. Okay, into minus 10 by 11. So what happens? See, multiply this. Minus into minus plus 8 into 10 80 and 33 into 11 is 363. Okay, so see, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so now you have to say that commutative property for addition and multiplication is verified. Okay, let us see the third question. Verify, see the third question. Verify the associative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers, these three. Okay, these three questions. So see, minus 7 by 9, 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. What is the associative property for addition and multiplication? See, you have a plus b plus of c is equal to a plus b plus c and a into b into c is equal to ab into c. Okay, you have to just verify those. So let us say a is equals to minus 7 by 9. Okay, b is equal to 5 by 6 and c is equals to minus 4 by 3. Okay, so associative property for addition is what? A plus b plus of c is equals to a plus b plus c. Okay, let me take left hand side now first. LHS. is A plus B plus of C. Okay. Now you see here, just substitute those. Okay. A is minus 7 by 9. Okay. Put plus, and B is what? 5 by 6. Okay. Plus C is minus 4 by 3. Okay. Now you see here, minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6. What is this? Plus into minus is minus 4 by 3. Okay, you have to take LCM here. So LCM is 6. Now 3 2s are 6. Now minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6 minus 4 2s are 8 by 6. So what happens? Minus 7 by 9 plus 5 minus 8, the whole divided by 6. Okay. So what is 5 minus 8? Minus 7 by 9 plus 5 minus 8 is minus 3, because sign is greater sign is 8, no? So minus 3 by 6. So what happens? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now you see, take the LCM here, because 9 is there and 2 is there. So minus 1 by 7 by 9 plus into minus, what happens? Minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now you take the LCM. LCM is what? 18. So you multiply this by 2 and this by 9. So what happens? Minus 14 minus 9 by 18. Okay. Minus 14 minus 9 is what? Minus 23 by 18. So this is LHS. Okay. Now move on to RHS. RHS is A plus B plus C. Okay. Now you have to do RHS. So just mention this. Minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6. Okay, this one is in bracket inside, and plus of minus 4 by 3. Okay. So see here, this in these two also, what is the LCM now? LCM for in 9 tables, 18 comes. Okay. No, or else you just take this 9 6. Okay. In 3 tables, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay. In 3 tables, 1 2, and in 2 tables 1 1. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 18 is the LCM. Okay. 2 tables this comes, and in this 3 tables. Okay. What happens? 7 2s are 14, minus 14 plus 5 3s are 15, the whole divided by 18. Okay. Plus into minus, minus 4 by 3. What this happen? Minus 14 plus 15, 1 plus 1 by 18 minus 4 by 3. Okay. 3 tables 18 comes, no? So the LCM will be 18. So multiply this by 6. So what happens? 1 minus 4 6 are 24, the whole divided by 18. Okay. You subtract, the greater sign is minus 23 by 18. Okay. See this? RHS and LHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. This is for addition. Now move on to multiplication. Okay. Associative property for multiplication. So what is the property? A, B into C is equals to A into B into C. Okay. You have to just prove this. So take the LHS now. A, B into C. So okay, what is A? A is minus 7 by 9 into 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. This is C. Okay. Let's mention this. Multiply, which is in the bracket inside. Minus, okay, 7 5s are 7 5s are 35, minus 35 by 54. Okay. 9 6 are 54 into minus 4 by 3. Okay. So minus into minus becomes plus. 35 into 4 is 140. Divided by 54 into 3 is 162. So this is LHS. Okay. Now you move on to the RHS. If you want to divide with 2 tables, you can divide here. Okay. See, in 2 tables, 2 7s are 14, 0. 2 8s are 16, and 2 1s are 2. 70 by 81. Okay. Now move on to RHS. A into B into C. Okay, what is A? A is minus 7 by 9 and B into C, B is what? 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. Okay, what happens? You just keep this one which is outside of the bracket and just multiply inside the bracket. Okay, 5 4s are 20 minus 20 by 6 3s are 18. So you multiply now, minus into minus plus, 7 20s are 140, 9 into 18 is 162. Now you divide with two tables, 70 by 81. So 70 by 81. Okay, see the LHS and RHS is same. You have to write LHS is equals to RHS. Now you have to mention the associative. Okay, associative property for addition and multiplication. Okay, and multiplication is verified. Okay, third sum also is over. Now move on to the fourth sum. Fourth sum is verify the distributive property A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C of a rational number. So they are given A, B, C. So let me do this. A is equals to minus 1 by 2, B is equal to 2 by 3 and C is equals to minus 5 by 6. Okay, you have to prove that A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, let me take this LHS side. A into B plus C. Okay, what is A? Minus 1 by 2 into B is 2 by 3. Okay, plus C is minus 5 by 6. Okay, so see here, minus 1 by 2. We'll just calculate inside the bracket. Okay, see this. These two are, we have different, so we have to take the LCM, multiply this by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and plus into minus is minus 5 by 6. Okay. So what happens? Minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 5 is minus 1 by 6. Okay. So what happens? Minus into minus, just multiply, plus. Plus 1 into 1, 1. So 2 6 are 12. So this is LHS. Okay. Now we'll see the RHS side. RHS is A into B plus A into C. Okay. What is A into B? A is minus 1 by 2 into B is 2 by 3 plus what is A? Minus 1 by 2 into C is minus 5 by 6. Okay, you have to multiply inside the bracket. So, see 2 2 have been cancelled here. Okay, what happens? Minus 1 by 3. Okay, plus what happens? Minus into minus plus 5, 1 into 5, 5 divided by 2 6 are 12. Okay, how will you add this? The denominators are not same. So, you have to multiply with 4 to get 12. Okay, what happened here? Minus 4 plus 5 divided by 12. Okay, what is minus 5 plus minus 4 plus 5 is equals to plus 1 by 12. So, see here LHS is equals to RHS. No, it is verified. So, what you have to mention? Distributive property for rational number is verified. Okay, now move on to fifth sum. See, fifth sum is verify the identity property for addition and multiplications of rational number. Okay, for these two you have to verify the identity property. So see here, fifth sum they have given first 15 by 19. So for 15 by 19, what is the identity property for addition? Identity property for addition is 0, no? So that means A plus 0 is equals to A. So what you have to do? 15 by 19 plus 0 is equals to 15 by 19. So this is identity property for addition. Okay. For multiplication, A into 1 is equals to A. That means you have to multiply with by A. 15 by 19 into 1 is equals to 15 by 19. So they have also given 0 plus A. So you can also do like this, 0 plus 15 by 19. Okay. This is 1 into 15 by 19 will be the same. Okay. So we have verified this identity property for addition and multiplication for this sum. Okay. And they have given other problem also. See here, minus 18 by 25 also you have to do this for like the same only. A plus 0 is equals to a. So minus 18 by 25 plus 0 is equals to minus 18 by 25 itself. Okay. Likewise, 0 minus 18 by 25 will be the same. Okay. Likewise, for multiplication, a into 1, no. So minus 18 by 25 into 1. Okay, is equals to minus 18 by 25. The same problem and same procedure. So you have to mention this one. Okay, this is identity property for addition. Okay, and this one is identity property for multiplication. Okay, so see, if you add with 0, you got the same number back, and if you multiply with 1, you will get same number back. This is the identity property. Okay, so you have verified now. Okay, just mention this identity property for addition and multiplication is verified. Okay, at last you have to write this. Okay, you have to mention this formula. No, before that you have to mention identity property of addition. You have to mention this and you have to do the sum. Okay, for this also you have to mention and do the sum. Okay, let's move on to sixth problem. Sixth problem is, see, verify the additive and multiplicative inverse property for the rational numbers. These two rational numbers, we have to verify additive and multiplicative inverse. Okay, so see the sixth problem. They have given question minus 7 by 17 first. Okay, you have to mention additive property. Okay, additive inverse property. Okay, what is additive inverse property? For minus 7 by 17 is, what is the inverse? Plus 7 by 17. Okay, so the answer will be 0. That is, additive inverse property is what? A of minus a is equal to 0. A plus of minus a is equal to 0. So this is additive inverse property. Okay, that means for minus 7 by 17, you have plus 7 by 17 to get 0. Okay, likewise, multiplicative inverse property is, okay, for a into 1 by a. That means if you cancel, you get 1. Okay, this is multiplicative inverse property. So for minus 7 by 17, what will be having? 1 by 7 by 17. That means this becomes reciprocal up. So what happens? Minus 7 by 17 into 17 by 7. Okay, so what is a? Minus 7, no? So you have to cancel. Okay, for minus 7 by 17, that is into 1 by minus 7 by 17. So what happens? It becomes reciprocal. So you can cancel here. So you will get 1. Okay, so that is the multiplicative inverse property. So other question also they have given for 17 by 27. 17 by 27 also you have to do. That is, for 17 by 27, additive inverse property is minus 17 by 27. That is to get 0. Okay, and for multiplication also you have to mention that. Okay, additive inverse property is a minus a, that is a plus of minus a is equal to 0. You have to mention and you have to write those things. Okay, now for multiplication also, a into 1 by a is equal to 0. A into 1 by a is equals to 1. You have to mention and you have to do 17 by 27 into 1 by 17 by 27 is equal to 17 by 27 into 27 by 17. Just cancel now. You will get 1. Okay, this is additive and multiplicative inverse property for rational numbers. So you have to just say additive and multiplicative inverse property is verified. Okay, you have to say this at last. Okay, you have to write this. Likewise here, no, additive inverse property, you have to mention this and you have to do the sum. Likewise for multiplicative inverse property, you have to mention this and you have to write this sum. Here also you have to write those things. Okay, in this question also I have just this, but you have to write. So move on to the objective type question. So see the seventh sum. Closure property is not true for division of rational numbers because of the number. Okay, that is division. Division means divide. If you divide for 1 or -1 or 1 by 2, the closure property will be same. For 0, it is not true. Okay, so 0 is the answer. So let us move on to the eighth sum. 1 by 2, see this one is not equal to, okay, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 like this. Illustrates that subtraction does not satisfy the dash property. What is this property? It is a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. This is the property of associative. It is not commutative. Commutative is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Closure is a plus b. And distributive is a plus b into c. Okay, that property. Also, this is one is associative property. So you have to mention that associative property. Okay. So which of the following illustrates the inverse property for addition? For addition, inverse property is for 1 by 8, you have to get minus 1 by 8 to become 0. Okay, 0 is the inverse property for addition. So this one is the answer A. Okay, let us move on. Next sum, see 3 by 4 into A 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so they is equal to, we have multiplied. So it illustrates our multiplication is distributive over what? This one. So distributive for addition or subtraction, multiplication, division. What is this mentioned here? It had mentioned subtraction here. So it has mentioned subtraction. So subtraction sign here. Okay. So you have to just take subtraction. Okay. So I have completed exercise 1.3 fully here. So let us move on to the next problems. Okay, in the other classes. So till then, if you understand, friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, goodbye.